Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we have a very interesting question in which we have to find which one is greater, 2 to the power 31 or 3 to the power 21. So what do you think how we can solve this? So first thing, we will do a little inspection here that the bases are different, 2 and 3, and look at the exponents. Exponents are also different. So what we can do here, let's write the first value, that is 2 to the power 31. So what we will do here, we will split the power into 2 to the power 30 times 2. How we have done that? We have used this law, that is a to the power m plus n, that is equals to a to the power m times a to the power n. So further what we can do, let's split the power into 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 times 2. Further what we can do here, you also know this law, that is a to the power m multiplied by n is equals to a to the power m whole n, or it is equals to a to the power n whole m. So I'm writing this thing into this form. So that will be 2 to the power 3 whole 10 times 2. So further it will be equals to, we know that 2 cube equals to 8. 8 to the power 10 times 2. Now we will take the another number, that is 3 to the power 21. So here I am again splitting the power into 3 to the power 20 times 3. So further again split the power, that will be 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 10 times 3. So further again I will use this law here, that will be 3 square whole 10 times 3. So we know 3 square is equals to 9 to the power 10 times 3. So here we will see which number is greater. We can see that 9 is greater than 8. So let's write the powers. So we can see that powers are same, but 9 is greater. So we know 9 to the power 10 is greater than 8 to the power 10. But what about the other numbers, 3 and 2? So we know 3 is greater than 2. So what we got from here, if we write it 9 to the power 10 times 3 and 8 to the power 10 times 2, that means this is greater. 9 to the power 10 times 3 is greater than 8 to the power 10 times 2. So that means this is greater. But what is 9 to the power 10 times 3? This is actually 3 to the power 21. So we can say that 3 to the power 21 is greater than 2 to the power 31. So here we can say that 2 to the power 31 is less than 3 to the power 21. If you like the video, please do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.